Hi, boys and girls. Today is Thursday, May 28th, 2020, and I'm excited to show you and conduct an experiment with you today. I'm going to be using vinegar, baking soda, and some food coloring, and I made what looks like a little volcano out of an onion that I cut up. So I thought that it would look like a volcano once it erupts. If it does have that reaction, we're gonna have to wait and see if I combine these ingredients together, what happens. But first, we're gonna start with our sight words for the week and our science poem. And I know that the poem's a little challenging this week, but with practice, I know that you're going to get better at it, okay? So I wanna go over the poem. I know you've been working on it for the last 2 days, and I wanna go over the words with you. So first, we're gonna start with or. Ready? Or. Would you rather have pizza or macaroni? O-R, or. As her eyes were as blue as the sky. As. Good job. Has. He has all the money. For. F-O-R. For. Not the number for. Okay, poem, ready? Science poem. It's okay if you don't have yours in front of you, but I just want you to listen. I want to think like a scientist, observing animals, earth, or sky. I want to ask good questions, wondering how and what and why. I want to make smart guesses, thinking what might happen and when. I want to do cool experiments, testing my thinking again and again. I want to write up all my data. And boys and girls, that word data means information. So you're recording your information. And that's what we do with our data collection sheet. We are recording information. And that's what scientists do. And that's what you're all doing because you're all scientists. I want to write up all my data, recording pictures, charts, or words. This is what scientists do, and I can do it too. All right, so we are going to be recording, and that means writing down and drawing pictures of what we see. And our experiment for today is, I wonder what will happen if we mix white vinegar, baking soda. I know many of you know what's going to happen because you suggested that I do this activity. So let's see if it looked like yours when you conducted it before at your house. And then I have some food coloring that I thought we would add to it to make it even more exciting. So I have a little bit of, I need a spoon. I have a little bit of vinegar left in this container. I'm gonna start with my baking soda and I'm gonna put it right in my onion. What I did, friends, is I just sliced an onion and then I kind of stacked it. And in the middle, I'm going to put the baking soda. Okay, move this over to the side. I'm gonna put a little bit, I'm gonna start with purple. I'm gonna put a little bit of the purple food coloring in there. And then I only have a little bit of vinegar in that container. So let's see what happens. Ready, boys and girls? 3, 2, 1, 0. Might not be enough vinegar. Ooh, it's definitely fizzing. Let's put some more in, okay? Oh! Can you see that? Wow! I wonder what will happen if I add a different color. What if I put some blue in there? This is blue food coloring. So let's put the blue in first. I'm gonna put some more baking soda. Boop, right inside the center of the onion that I sliced. And then I'm gonna pour some vinegar. Let's see if it's gonna be blue. Woo! Look at that! Still purplish though. Not so blue. It does say blue on it, natural blue. All right, let's try another color. Let's try green. It says green. All right, maybe if I try the baking soda first. Put it right at the top. Then I'm gonna put the green food coloring. Ooh, there we go. And then I'm going to pour the white vinegar. Whoa. Whoa. It's fizzing. It's exploding everywhere. It's all over my pan. All right, boys and girls, next, we need to record our data or our information. And that's what scientists do. So we're going to record what I just did here and what you observed me do. All right, so I'm gonna move my volcano to the side. My topic is volcano. Volcano. I see. What did we see? We saw colors come out. We saw a liquid that was bubbling. So I'm going to write bubbling liquid. The colors came out of the onion. I don't really have a lot of room, but that's okay. I heard a fizzing sound. Fizzing. Not going to taste anything. I smelled the vinegar. That's what I smelled. Because vinegar has, if you've ever colored Easter eggs, it has a very potent smell. It's very strong. So I definitely smelled that when I was making the volcano, okay? I didn't feel anything. I didn't use my sense of touch. I used my sense of smell, and I smelled the vinegar. I heard the fizzing, and I saw the bubbling liquid, and the colors came out of the onion. Oh my goodness. And then I'm gonna I'm gonna try to make the onion, and then I'm gonna show the colors coming out of the onion. So I used purple and green. So I'm gonna get a purple and green marker, and I'm going to color what I saw. So it was coming out of the onion. So it was fizzing. And you certainly can record along with me, boys and girls. You can do it later too, or you can just watch me. It's up to you. But we are recording because that's what scientists do. They conduct experiments and then they record their information. That means they write it down. All right, so I'm going to look at my data or my information. I saw bubbling liquid. Colors were coming out of the onion. I heard fizzing. I didn't taste anything. I smelled the vinegar with my nose, and I didn't touch it. Okay. So that's my data or my information. And you can pause the video if you'd like to, or you can do the recording sheet on your own. I hope that you liked this experiment. We're going to be doing another one tomorrow, and I can't wait to show it to you. Bye, boys and girls.